Hey friends, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you 4 best free traffic sources for promoting your Clickbank products. Alright, so let's start our video. Okay friends, my name is Ahmed Azam and I'm providing free courses on my YouTube channel for affiliate marketing, a complete step-by-step training. You can go to my YouTube channel page if you want to go through that complete course, or you can find the link in the description. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to tell you that what are the best ways, what are the best free traffic sources for your Clickbank product. So first of all, you need to understand the concept of traffic, because there are many websites out there that give us fake clicks. The fake clicks are the clicks that are coming from bot, and I'm going to show you the filter over here, the filter that I use for myself. Okay, so this is just for an example. So this was actually one of the funnel that I had previously created for watch that I was promoting, and you can see that these are the total clicks, these are the unique clicks, and these are the false clicks that come from the bots or the computers who try to test that what actually is going on. So these are the false clicks, these are the unique clicks that I got. So first of all, if we are trying to sell anything, we want the traffic from real people, because at the end of the day we want sale. So I will strongly recommend you that don't buy traffic from the websites that are saying that give us $10 and we will give you 1,000 clicks. From those 1,000 clicks you will be getting zero sales, and if you really want to get sales, you have to target the people for the product you are promoting on the networks that I'm going to show you. So first of all, Pinterest is a very awesome free traffic source. Like you can see that I got 41K monthly unique viewers with a completely free strategy. All I was doing is I was just pinning my post on my Pinterest. So for driving traffic from Pinterest, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to select the niche from where you want to promote the product. Like there is make money online niche, there is health and fitness niche, and then what you have to do is you just have to pin 3 to 4 posts a day on Pinterest. 3 to 4 new posts that you can design a post like this. There are many software. You can design this on Photoshop, you can design this on Canva. There are many other software as well. And the next thing what you have to do is, when you pin your post on the bottom side, you have to provide your links. Okay, so you can see that they have provided the link for their product. You can see over here. So these are the posts that they have pinned on their Pinterest for some health and dinner recipes. Okay, I'm gonna write health and fitness over here. And you can see that now what they are doing, they are promoting their product, they are driving traffic from Pinterest towards their product. So this is their product, or it may be a restaurant, or they are promoting their website. Yeah, so that's the thing. You can see that over here these are some exercise. So this is a product that help us to lose the fat. Okay, so what they have done is they have just designed one post, and then they are putting the link whatever the product they're promoting on that post. So Pinterest is very simple and very easy way to drive the traffic, and this traffic also come from the real people. So now you can see they come to the product page, and over here they are promoting a product. I don't know what this product is, or they may be driving the traffic towards the blog. So for driving Pinterest, the formula you have to follow is, number one, you have to do 3 to 4 posts a day, and then at least you can save around 40 to 50 posts from other people, from other accounts on your boards. You just have to pin those posts onto your board, but the category should be same. The category, if you are doing health and fitness, your category must be the same one. Like what you can do is you have to pin the post from other accounts to your account, and you have to provide 3 to 4 new pins a day where you can put your link. So this is the way where you can start getting impressions towards your post, and if you are getting impressions, your impression will convert into clicks, and these clicks will be coming from the Pinterest. And the best part about Pinterest is that the 70% traffic that is on Pinterest is from USA, and the traffic that comes from USA is considered as very high quality traffic, because this traffic converts into sales very fast. All right, so This is the number one thing where you can drive free traffic from towards your Clickbank products, or toward whatever the product you are promoting. Like you can see that he is doing he's promoting a product named Drink Coffee and okay, whatever the product is. Okay, so he has written a blog on that, and after writing a blog, he is telling to make money online, what are the best ways to make money online, and over here he is making money with Google AdSense. Okay, so this is a thing like this. You can promote any product over here, or you can drive traffic towards your blog. You can make money from Google AdSense. It's up to you where you want to utilize your traffic to. So the next thing is you can drive traffic from Instagram. Instagram is one of the very best free traffic source. All you need is you need to post consistently. If you want to go through my complete step-by-step Instagram course, you can go to my YouTube channel page and you will find out the Instagram marketing course where I've shown that how you can grow your Instagram following and how you can start driving traffic towards your link, whatever link you are promoting in. So if you from Clickbank, if you are promoting any product for health and fitness, or you are promoting any product for e-business, what you can do is you can create your Instagram account in that category, start posting on your Instagram account, use hashtags, and if you are using hashtags, your Instagram account will start to grow. You will start to get free impressions on your Instagram account. I have many accounts on Instagram like unicornb1.co. So this is also one of my account. I'm gonna search it. B.co. Okay, so this is also one of my account and it has around 16k followers. Okay, you can see that it has around 16k followers. So the number one strategy is Pinterest, and the second one is Instagram. Because if we are doing paid advertisement, what we have to do, we have to give money in the marketplace, and we will start driving traffic from Facebook, from Google AdWords, and there are many other paid advertisement methods like solo advertisement. But if we are doing a free traffic, if we want to run a free traffic towards our link, what we have to do is we have to provide the value in the marketplace. Because if we will provide value in the marketplace, the audience will attract towards our account, either it is Pinterest account or either it is Instagram account. Like you can see that on Pinterest, what people are doing, they are giving free guides like how to become an amazon.com and make money. And when I will click over here, uh, he will take me to his blog, and okay, here it is. And on the blog he is providing the value that he will be sharing some tips that how you can start your online marketing business. All right, yeah, so that's the thing, my friend. The same formula applies for Instagram, because if we are driving free traffic, what we have to do is we have to provide the value in the marketplace, and then we can drive traffic towards our link and we can sell them strategically. All right, okay, so the next thing is Quora. And Quora is a very powerful feed traffic source. So what's happening over here is people are asking questions, and in the question section you can answer them. You can, whatever the question they are asking, you can answer in the answer section about the solution. Like let's suppose this is the question that how can I lose weight quickly. So someone has questioned this on Quora, and what people do, people answer on the bottom side of this question, and this is very awesome free traffic source. Like over here we can drive traffic for every niche: how to make money online, how to lose weight, how to do this, how to do blah blah blah, whatever the problem is. So I'm going to show you. So these are the answers. Like he's providing value to this question, and over here this is another answer. And you can see that this guy, he has answered that he has a 6 week diet, it helped me to lose the weight. And if you want to check this, you can check it over here. Okay, keep always fit. So like he is promoting the product. So like this, what you can do is you can answer the question, and at the end of the end of your answer, you can promote the product that you, whatever the product you are promoting, it depends on you. So that's the thing, my friend. And you can read some more examples over here. There will be many people who are promoting the products over here. Okay, so yeah, so you can see that she is promoting her Instagram page over here on Quora. Okay, I'm gonna visit she. Okay, so he got around 3,166 followers. So this is a very good strategy. What he's doing, he answering the question, providing the value, and then promoting their Instagram account. So like this, you can promote your Clickbank account over here as well. So these are the free strategies that you can use to drive traffic towards your Clickbank product. All right, and the next thing is Facebook groups. Facebook group is a very powerful way to drive free traffic towards your Clickbank products. My first sale, I remember it came from Facebook groups. Back 3 years ago, I was trying to promote a product on Clickbank. It was for weight loss, and what I did was I took my affiliate link, and I started posting in multiple groups. And that time there was not too much restrictions. So what happened was I got one sale, but those groups, what they did, they blocked me from posting more links over here, because they told me that I was spamming. So I was thinking that how I was spamming in those groups. I was just posting my link. So the thing is, my friend, if you want to drive traffic from Facebook groups, because they are literally for every niche, they are Facebook groups for health and fitness, for e-business, for self-help, for marketing, for gaming, for some architecture. They're literally groups for any niche on the Facebook. But what you have to do is, to drive the traffic from Facebook groups, you have to provide the value in the Facebook groups. You don't have to tell them about the product, you don't have to share the link about the product. If you really want to drive traffic in a legal way from Facebook, what you can do is, the number one thing is that because every groups, they have a promotional day. There are many groups on the Facebook. They have a promotional day, and you can start providing value. Like if you the weight loss group, what you can do is, you can put some weight loss guides. Okay, today you can give some weight loss guides. Tomorrow you can again give another weight loss guide. What will happening is, in this procedure, your authority will start to build. And every group has a promotional day where they allow their member to promote anything. So because if you are providing value, the admin will contact you, or you can ask admin that I'm providing the value in this group. Please tell me what is the promotional day where I can promote my link in this groups. And then admin will tell you that this is the promotional day, and on that day you can promote whatever the product you are promoting. So this is the way. And it's from Facebook, you can start driving huge amount of clicks if you are doing it in a strategic and technical way. So Facebook group is also a very powerful thing. But my friend, there are two types of traffic sources. Number one is free traffic sources, and then number second is paid traffic sources. The paid traffic source is controllable, because you are giving the money, you can control the traffic. Like if you are advertising on Facebook, you are giving them some money, you can control the traffic. You can ask them that I want the traffic for this specific niche, I want blah 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 clicks, I want 1,000 clicks, I want 2,000 clicks. But free traffic source, because we are not giving money for driving a free traffic, we have to provide the value in the marketplace. Either you are doing blogging is also a very best way to start driving traffic to whatever product we are promoting. But to start to drive traffic, we have to provide the blog, we have to provide the value in the marketplace, we have to tell them something, we have to tell visitors something that they should attract towards our blog, towards our Facebook post, towards our Quora answer, towards our Instagram post, towards our Pinterest pins. So we have to provide the value in the marketplace in order to attract the free traffic. I'm telling about the traffic that will really convert for you. Where there are many websites who are selling some fake bots who are selling some fake traffic, traffic towards your offers. So if you really want to get sales, these are the best methods. And you can also use YouTube to drive traffic towards your offer. It really depends on you that which type of value you want to give. So if you want to go to my complete step-by-step training on affiliate marketing, you can find the link in the description for my YouTube course, or you can visit my YouTube channel page for learning that course. So if the information in this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can comment below. And thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.